Local governments in East China's Jiangxi province have built irrigation canals in crop fields as a preemptive measure to deal with a possible drought in the coming spring plowing season. It's a preemptive measure after unusually hot weather and low precipitation swept the province and threatened agricultural production last year.
当时我们作为农户，肯定对这个十分的担心了，就温度又高，这个水呢又没有，这就经过了这个政府啊，那么大力支持，在向外面的 K 沟啊，引水就进来，就保证了我们今年这个粮食丰收了。
It was learned that the governments pay the cost of canals building, while farmers just need to pay the electricity bills. To be well prepared for a possible drought this year, local governments are making use of the winter season to improve the irrigation system.
就是明年3月20号之前，有着春耕，必须要保证渠道有灌溉。